inbound and outbound calls. I am proficient in Microsoft Office application like MS Word and MS Excel. I have experience in data entry in using database and web-based tools like InContact and Oracle. I am an organized and oriented person. I can work effectively with minimum supervision to meet deadline. I am excited to begin my office it is a professional record of providing service to the clients in the field of accounting, e-commerce business, construction, real estate marketing, internet marketing consulting, and legal management, among others. I believe that there are a lot of unforgot company and it's an honor to be part of the club.